Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright guys, I don't want to be too long in this video, but I want to share this with you. There's some people say that. I don't want to be too long and they do like a 10-minute video. Hopefully that's not me today. Alright, so let me just show you here something that's making me obviously very bearish over the next 6 months, 12 months. You know, like it's like what's making me, what's one of the reasons what's making me so bearish. And fundamentally, if you look at this here, you've got the 10 yields, you've got the 10-year yield, the bond market, and you've got the 2016, basically the expectations here, right? The EPS expectations here. So moving forward, guys, with this, you actually can see, and whether you know what the bond market is or whatever, just look at this. In the past, you can actually see that all the lines stayed together. The stock market, the 10-year, and the EPS expectations. And you can see how they all stayed together. They went up together, they went down together. That's how the stock market happened, right? And then guess what happening? Then guess what started happening? What happened is the yields, the bond yields, the market went up, so did the yields went up, 10 yield went up, the bond market went up, so did the stock market. But the bond market has been going down, 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 and suddenly we've just been falling off a cliff just recently. But the market just keeps going up. So that's obviously there's a massive divergence. And look at these which just simply means like earnings per share, like 2016's earnings per share expectations. You can see that everything's going with the markets, but this earnings per share has plummeted through here, and now we've just been going sideways. So the earnings per share of all of the expectations have been lowered. Why? Because they're trying to keep the market higher. The earnings per share. And you can see that also that the smart money, the bond market, is obviously 10-yield market here is actually dropping off the cliff as well too. So we have the stock market rising up and then going sideways, and now we're rising up through here as well too. We're just taking off through there. We have an enormous gap from there through to there that is likely to be filled. This will start to close the gap together, and that's what I'm saying, guys, that that the smart money and everything else is pulling it down, and the Fed is just keeping this up and keeping this up with all the BS out there. And they're keeping it up. But guess what's going to happen, guys? It's going to snap back. When the market does snap back, it's going to snap back really, really hard. So anyway, guys, this is a quick little image here. If this here doesn't say to you that we'll likely get a snap back, but we don't know when, then nothing will. And that's the reason why, guys, I believe what we experience right now is simply just a false breakout. It may spend or a little breakout to the high side, and then it may actually start. And then what I do believe is we're likely to fail up here. Maybe not today. Maybe in a week. Maybe in a couple of days. Who knows? But I think we're likely to fail here. We're not likely to just blast off and keep going off. I think we're likely to fail here, and then we're likely to reverse, and then keep going down. This is too far apart for this to happen, and I do believe we're likely to start closing this gap real soon. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.